Good evening, Professor. I hope all is well, or good morning, or good afternoon. I'm going to be doing the last and final screencast that I have to do to catch back up on my screencast, and then I'll be ready to start working on all the reports and papers. Today we're going to be doing the Chapter 9 screencast video, Shields Up Network Security Test. This is going to be at grc.com, so we're going to go ahead and open this up. We're going to go over to services and click on Shield Up right here. There's a lot of warnings, tells you what's going on with these tests. We're just going to go ahead right here and click proceed. Now GRC Shield Up is about to run a test on our common ports. If you click common ports right here, it's going to run them through our IP. It's going to ping the computer and back to its servers. And then it's going to tell us that we either failed or passed. So right here we have our true stealth analysis and it says we failed. Right here we can look at what was tested and what failed and passed. So our solicited TCP packets passed, our unsolicited packets passed, and the ping reply was received. So that means it failed. The reason it says that the ping reply getting received is failed is just because it's easier for hackers to see that your computer is on a network. That doesn't mean that this computer can be broken into per se. It just means that it's easier to recognize that we're on a network or find our network. Over here we have all of our ports that passed as the stealth test. So we're past the stealth test, and I think that's pretty good because if we're only getting flagged for the ping reply being received, it's not too bad. And then we have our IP right here as well. If there's anything else that you need me to show you or this video didn't meet the requirements, please let me know in the comments and I'll be more than happy to send in another one that's better. Happy Thanksgiving.